All right. So for this demo, imagine I'm a chief revenue officer. And I want to be on top of the sales. I want to see where the team is doing, whether they need my help, and things like that. So in past, what you would have to do is you'll have to ask somebody to generate some reports, or you'll have to run some queries, or you have to go through different screens to find out data. Well, no more. All you have to do is just tap on this chat icon on the top right of the screen. When you click that, it brings up the AI assistant. And here you can type something, or you can talk to it. So let's ask AI assistant, what is our sales performance for today? So as I ask that question, it is understanding what the question is. It is going through data. It is finding out what is the sales performance for today. As it finds out that information, it's going to render that. Now, wow, $465,000. Team is doing amazing job, isn't it? But guess what? Who is doing a great job as well? AI assistant. Because not only it answered me what is the sales performance for today, it also compared with yesterday. It also told me what is the average margin today and what was it yesterday. It went above and beyond. Now, let's say you want to go and look at some of the data for that. Again, remember, this is integrated in our ERP system today. So when you press this view data button over here, you will see on the left in the ERP application there are some 17,000 or more record. When I press that, it is basically going to filter out that record set into just the data that is relevant to the question I asked. Isn't this amazing? They are working hand in hand. Now let's go further, and let's ask, show me sales details by customers. So when I'm asking that, now what it is doing is it is looking at the sales data for all of the customers. It is finding out the top customers out of that. It is then preparing the data to show you, and then it shows that. Now, not only that it shows me the data, but what it is also going to do is it is going to generate a chart so that I can easily and quickly glance through it and find out at just a glance. Cool, right? But that's not it. Now, what I can do also is I can just add this chart as a standard widget on ERP application. All I have to do is just press this view chart. And it is now in the ERP application that you can work on later. You can add more, you can change the configuration to add more columns to see top 5 customers, for example, and things like that. By default, it shows 3. But that's, not only you can change it over there. Here also, you can just ask AI with a specific number. So for example, you can say, show me top 5 items by quantity for today. So now when I asked it, it is again looking at intent of my question. It is understanding that. It is finding out, oh, I have to show the top 5 items by quantity. And there you go. It not only came up with the answer, but again with the chart, and this time with the 5, because that is what I asked. Isn't it amazing? Like, look at this. All I did was just ask the questions, got the answers that I want. No more clicking, no more going through queries, no more going through reports, nothing. So what do you think? All right, we can change back to the presentation. There you go. So what you saw right now is interactive assistant, but you will see much more. But I'm sure your next question in your mind is, when can you use this? When can we give this in your hands? Well, not just yet. But this is a live demo of working code. This is not smoke and mirror. This is live code. As we add more functionality to that, thank you. As we add more functionality to that and make sure that the quality meets our bar, we will give it to you so that it can start helping you as well, and not just demo over here. Now, tomorrow in the keynote and also across other sessions, you will hear a lot more about AI. You will hear more in terms of what we are investing, how we are investing. You will also see the demo of AI automation in action, as well as AI intelligent advisor in action. As you go through all of those sessions, you will also see what John said earlier, which is our principles of innovation. We apply that to AI too, so that AI is responsible, AI that is giving practical value, AI that is adding business value, right? And also what you will see over there is our AI vision in action, which is AI that just works for you, AI that works for you. Thank you all.